Hey everybody, third box of the 4-box break for Panini. And that's from Chrissy311, and the break was brought to you by BelowCards.com. Best place on the internet for cards. And not the biggest stuff out of the last box, but still solid. The first box is still really nice too. So hopefully continue and get some good stuff in this Elite 2011-12. And just want to say also, with everyone in the break, I'll be giving out extra cards and free spots in my next break, and that'll be at the end of the break. And I'll go through all the cards and show everybody on the screen. I know, because it's just so I can get good shots of all the cards that are being sent out, all the inserts and the jerseys. I'll show you at the end on the last video. So here's the third box. Good luck. Packs in this, so should be, I think they said 4 hits. Yeah, 4 memorabilia or autographs. Never opened up the Elite. See what it looks like. Oh, they even have the old die cut, just like from back in the day. Jose Theodore, Martin Brodeur. Nice, very nice status. James Wisniewski for Colorado, or for Columbus. Numbered out of 99, 4 out of 99. That's a nice little card. I like the shape, the cut of it. That was a blank insert. Then there's Legwand and Hiller. Some of the cards are different, but it's kind of nice. So I like these cards. They're really nice. Just like the box, pretty shiny. Hopefully I won't take too long opening up these boxes. Lots of packs go through this one. Oh, this is a thin one. Got enough filler in it. So Eric Carlson, that's the blue one. That means Marchand for Boston. And we have for Carolina a rookie of Justin Falk. Let's look at the rookies up there. Numbered out of 999, 977 out of 999. Carolina is Jeff. We get that one. So base of Smith and McD. P.K. Subban, Rene Bourque, Eberle. And, ooh, wow, Toronto, again, very nice. I don't know where these jerseys are coming from. It's kind of like the one from the Reimer. It has like a different pattern on it. So that's a Dion Phaneuf jersey card. Elite material, very nice card. Not numbered, but I like the jersey swatches. And Tenge and Smith. Looks like it's a camo, like a military type look to it. But the first hit. Die cut one in here. We got Sedin, Horkoff, and the die cut is Jonas Enroth for Buffalo. So Buffalo gets another one. That's Christopher, I'm pretty sure. And that's numbered. Nope, not numbered. It's just die cut. Inspirations. Very nice card still. Grabner and Hedberg. Yeah, I like this stuff. It's I like it even more, like the most money so far. So I like to keep seeing them make this. Get lots of stuff in it. Looks like a thicker, actually gold in there. We got Palmville, Pacioretty, and Alexander Ovechkin, Washington. They were traded from Jeff for Vancouver, so so Pat gets something in the back. Not numbered, so it's just an insert Elite Series. Very nice looking card. Nothing. Back is in Fleischman. And we're going by what the cards are who's on, like what team they're on at the time these are made, not after the trade deadline. So we got Nash, Stahl, the rookie of Roman Horak. I don't think it's numbered. Oh, it is, yeah. 131 out of 999. That's Calgary. JVR and Chipperson. a little faster, so it'll probably take a while. Briere, Tefila, and a Stars rookie of Brett Conlon, not numbered. Insert. Pretty nice card. Show everybody again at the end. Unless it's a huge card, I might show it right away. Backstrom, Glenn Cross. Oh wow, nice, very nice card. From New Jersey, who is owned by it'll be Pat. Adam Henrique autograph. I don't remember if he is Rookie of the Year this year, but it's an autograph rookie of Adam Henrique. Not numbered, but very nice card. On card auto. And base of Sekoy Grabowski. So that's a nice little card. Mark Bouchard, Duchesne, and Elite Series Joe Sakic. And that'll go to Colorado. It's with the Nordiques, Stepan and Schunk for the other base. Should be two more hits in this. We have Dustin Brown, Wayne Simmons, Johan Franzen, not numbered, very nice aspirations. Al Montoya and Pavel Betsy. The flipper one. Insert. Whitney, Panuski, Carey Price. Insert. Mitchell Mays, not numbered. Blank, Steen and Suter. Gallic, Backstrom, and Clarkson for the New Jersey Devils, not numbered, making sure I'll check everyone. And then Clarkson for the regular card once again. So it looks like there's 7 or 8 left. So here we go, Ginla for the Flames, Morrow, Lettinen, Blank, and Ilyashin Yandel. That's the first pack with not even an insert in it. So you do get a good amount of cards in this. Hope everyone can hear me good. We have Ray Emery, Sergei Kasitsyn, Abby Boulin, and another Toronto Maple Leafs are doing pretty good today. So Jeff must be a little happy with that. It's a Joe Colburn New Breed jersey. So that's another hit for Toronto. I don't think that's his favorite team, but well, something in Toronto is better than nothing. We have Yager for the Flyers, Campbell, rookie of Harry Sattere for San Jose, $8.95 out of $9.99. I'm pretty sure that's going to Christopher. Yep. Shea Weber for Nashville. He probably won't be there anymore, I don't think. Hossa Belongo for Vancouver. Nice die cut, not numbered, but very nice. For all those die-hard Vancouver fans. He used to be their favorite player for a lot of guys. Now it's so quickly go down the drain. Nothing, just checklist. So we got four left. I'm just pick one. So Matt Cullen, Corey Perry, Mini Crossbow, Blank, Tavares, and Fowler. 3 more to go. There should be one more hit in this. This is definitely my favorite product out of all this that I've done so far. Varlamov, Peverly. Oh, we have a nice autograph. Oh, wow. That is a nice card. From Colorado, that's going to Pat. I might have to get a look up at that one. That's a Matt Duchesne auto, but it also has, it looks like his Twitter account name on it. So it's kind of a unique one. Yeah, it's his Twitter. It's Matt9 Duchesne. So that's pretty unique. I'll have to show you that one up close to see what that looks like. But that is a nice card. Wow. And Pestle free Connery. Wow, I've never seen cards of that. I almost want to buy some of this for myself. This is nice stuff. Mark Strikes, Eric Johnson, Tyler Seguin, Adam, and Henrik Lundqvist. So the last pack. There's only 2 packs so far that have had no inserts, just base cards. So that's pretty nice to see. And it's not that expensive either. And this one looks like it has a die cut in it. Parenteau, Crawford. We have a Thomas Wacoon, Capitals die cut, and Semin and Marlowe. So that's it for the 3rd box. Last box coming up, and that is Crown Royal. So thanks everyone.